the 29th participant in the Silva Challenge, and this is another shipment outside of the US, is to the UK, Wallace Franks. Wallace, I'm going to try and do a decent job putting this box together. We'll see how it goes. Here's apparently somebody that I bought a batch of these tow trucks a while back. This is a red line tow truck. I bought a batch of them from somebody who apparently had started working on them. This one's drilled out. It's in really bad shape, but it's a red line. So why not put it in the box? Let's see. Definitely, I missed out on some construction vehicles in the last challenge, so I don't want to do that this time. Here's a nice little Maisto Tonka dump truck. That's kind of cool. I'm sure you can do something creative with that. This is a Hot Wheels. Oh, it's a motorcycle. Okay, there's the handlebars. That's different. That already has a real sci-fi odd look to it. Oh. Not quite sure what this is. This is another Hot Wheels. This is the... Gee. 6110X. Okay. The X1120. The 1120 reminds me of my... Before I retired, I did a lot of tax returns. One of them was the 1120. Corporate tax returns, but enough of that. Oh, that's cool. That's what? Evil Twin. Oh, that's kind of torn up. It's been used and abused. Let's try and wedge that in here somehow. Oh. I saw that. That made me go for it immediately. Since this is going to the UK, I'm sending a Hot Wheels Brit Speed. Okay. That looks old. That's kind of cool. That must be a McDonald's Hot Wheels. It's plastic, metal base. You know, plastic back. Seems like I've seen some of these where the engine pops up. This one doesn't apparently do that. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to wedge some of these in here. No. Oh, aircraft. Yeah. It's an SR-71, isn't it? Yeah, it sure looks like one. Yeah. You know, it has missing one of the, whatever. I don't know the technical aviation term for the rudder back there. Cadillac Toshiba Copiers logo. Hot Wheels Cadillac LMP. That's nice. I did put a dump truck already. Don't need another dump truck. There's another construction vehicle. That's kind of cool. That looks like it should turn, but it doesn't. It sure looks like it should. What is this? A Matchbox Super Fast crane truck without the crane, obviously. Okay. When I do that, I know it raises hell with the microphone. But, oh, that's trippy. Hot Wheels Toe Jam. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It even has the little toe thing still on it. Oh, that's two tow trucks. No, that I've hit you with, though. Another wreck truck. No, I'm not gonna do that either. No, I'm not gonna do that one. That's cool. The Fast Fortress Hot Wheels. Man, those are tiny wheels. Seems like the way this box closes, I need to make sure I'm straight in there. That's a newer version of, well, it says Hammerhead on it, but it seems like it was the Mantis, wasn't it? The old Hot Wheels Mantis. back in the day. Ballistic. That's kind of cool. This seems like a kind of cool box of stuff. It seems like it has a creative bent to it just out of the gate. It's a Star Wars casting of all things. I don't know. I guess just because of the coloring. Scorcher. Okay. The hooligan. I like that. That's cool. Yeah, I'm sure that would be fun to work with. What do we got up here? We got some room. Didn't I see that already? Trash. That is seriously where that just went. I didn't. I'm not kidding. I didn't have the patience for that. The silver bullet, just not silver. I redid one of those, it seems like. I'm thinking, well, I put a lot of flat castings in here, haven't I? Mattel, made for McDonald's. Ah, it is metal. Metal body, plastic base. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a pretty creative batch of stuff. Let me get that out of the way. And now, I've been printing a lot of 3D stuff, as I've mentioned, now that I'm back doing it. So, let's see. Here's some armor. So let's throw some armor in here. And some of these guys, things that you can put weapons through, things you can use for bumpers. Oops. Yeah, always like that. A couple rams for up front. These are bigger guns. And smaller guns. Oops. Went through the effort to get all this stuff sorted, and then I start dropping it in the wrong places. Tanks. Some skulls. These wheels, these are cool wheels. I like. Let's see if I can show you these. I really like these wheels that I've been printing. So give you like a front and back. So I'll tell you what, let's do 4 of each, and then you can figure out how you want to use them. Some rockets, some of that kind of rocket, some of these rockets. Throw an oil dripper in there. How about some engines? Yeah, we'll throw some engines in there. Yeah, I'm thinking that's it. Yeah, I threw some more guns. So what do you think? Let's move this one. I'm thinking that's a pretty good selection of stuff. Yeah. I may even throw a piece of bubble wrap on here to silence it a little bit. It's a slightly different box on the international shipments I need to use because of priority mail. I go through a third-party shipper now to cut the rate. This may take a while to get there, but that's it. Wallace, good luck with this. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this going together. Have fun with this, Wallace, and can't wait to see what you do with it when you get it. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one. Last minute, I decided to add something. Yeah, there's a model kit for a Hawker Hurricane that I'm thinking you can use these parts somehow. Looks like somebody started working on this too. Let's cut this. You don't need all the sprue on this stuff. Okay. Propeller. Oh, somebody painted painted a tip. There's the glass canopy. And yeah, there you go. Now it's finished. Catch y'all later.